Hello everyone, I am excited to bring you a huge home decor accessory haul today. This is for a client project I've been working on for a couple months. It's a home renovation and we're at the final stages of decorating the house. So these pieces are mostly affordable to mid-range. It's from Target, West Elm, Wayfair, AllModern, and World Market. I think that's everything. And I really focused on neutral pieces that would work in like any space and could go from room to room, and pillow combinations, and just bringing in a little bit of pattern and texture to these spaces to make them feel more complete. So let's get into it. So this is a set of 3 faux succulents. I love faux succulents because they're the easiest plant to make fake. These are perfect for a house, dorm, apartment, even a bathroom. A pillow cover. This pillow is so fun. I love the pom-poms. It's really great for a sofa where if you have like more striped pillows or solid pillows, this adds another texture and pattern that contrasts a little bit, but it matches anything because it's so neutral. A marble and wood orb.
Should I stop filming?
I think you should. Ta-da. This is good because in some places you need like a little extra height, and sometimes it's hard to find accessories that are tall. It isn't like a vase, and so this is a great piece for a shelf or a side table or a console table. So this box is all from Target. These 2 pieces are from the Studio McGee collection for Threshold and are super neutral and have a lot of texture to them. And then these 2 pillows are really fun, have a little bit more color. Something that I was thinking for the family room, which has a blue sofa. So these would look fun, and my client wanted a little bit more color in there. This box is stuff from World Market. I got these fun rattan lanterns that can go indoors, just as a more sculptural element on a table. Not everyone loves like a faux plant, but these are higher up on a shelf. Not something that you would really interact with up close. Just have it all blend together so you don't really notice what's real and what's not. I love this little globe set. Really cute in a bedroom, a kid's room, or styling on shelves. I think they're really fun and add a little bit of metallic. These 2 candle holders are for pillar candles. They're really good on a dining table or in the center of a kitchen island. I thought this was gonna be so much bigger.
It's so small.
It's teeny tiny. I do love like a marble accessory for adding in another material to a room, and marble is one of my favorite materials. It's so classic, and so if you can't afford to have like a tile or floor or your countertops in marble, adding in marble through the accessories is an easier way to get it into the room. Not much impact with that one. This is obviously from Target. I love this pillow for a bed because if you have a queen or king size bed, they're so wide and it's hard to find pillows with enough size and heft to really look substantial on the bed. It has tassels on the corners. So these pillows are from Wayfair, otherwise known as AllModern. It's the same company. So AllModern is owned by Wayfair, but it has a more specific selection of contemporary and modern decor. So if you know you like modern and contemporary home decor, then AllModern is gonna have more of the style that you're looking for.
They look like your rugs.
And they do. They copied me. These solid ones are really good for mixing in with other patterns because they're solid but have this texture to them. I love the beading on this pillow. I think it's a really nice detail that adds like another texture when you're mixing all your pillows together. Well, this is not very exciting. It's just pillow inserts. I usually like to get feather down filling on throw pillows because the shape of them looks so much nicer and they're so much more comfortable when they're sitting on the sofa. And you can really do the karate chop like that which you can't do with a polyester filled pillow. But down alternative is another great option and gives it the same feeling. If you're allergic to feathers, that's another good way to go, and they won't poke out of the pillow, which bothers some people. More throw pillows. All of this is from World Market. I'm super wary of using a lot of black in a space because it's a very strong color. So if the room itself is not dark and moody and has a lot of dark colors already, a little goes a really long way. So this might be a little too strong for the rooms that I'm working on, which are lighter colors, white and gray, and more neutral. So World Market has some of the best affordable velvet throw pillows. They're a cotton velvet, so they're nothing like super soft or plush, but they have a great color selection and they're very affordable. And this pillow is really good as a solid pillow to introduce a new color into a room and to mix in with patterned pieces. This is another lumbar pillow, which I thought could work on a bed. The fringe is a little like weird looking. I'm saying the same things over and over, like this is a patterned throw pillow.
Another pillow.
Another pillow. So basically I'm getting pillows for one master bedroom, a guest bedroom, a family room, bonus room, and accessories for a study, an office in a bedroom, and then those 2 family rooms and the kitchen. So that's why there's so many pillows. There's some pillows that I wouldn't mix together, so I'm trying to give her as many options as possible for styling out each room. Because pillows tend to be more patterned, it's easier to mix in a solid color throw and focus more on the material and texture, making sure it's soft and comfortable. But I do love fringe on the end to add a little bit of extra interest.
Oh my gosh, it feels like a scarf. I'm so weird.
I used a lot of blue in this client's designs in the rooms, so I got this navy tray. It's lacquered and has gold handles, and is great because when you have a lot of surfaces like coffee tables, side tables, console tables, great styling trick is to use trays whenever you're styling a larger surface. Because if you've got accessories that are just sitting out by themselves, they tend to look unorganized, but as soon as you put it in a tray, it looks like it has a place. This face makes me so happy. Like, have you ever worn yellow tinted sunglasses? They just make everything look like sunny and happy, so that's what this reminds me of. So these 2 pillow covers are from West Elm. I love the classic stripe. I think it's a really good scale. I love this for an unexpected, more contemporary pillow. It's got this like dyed shibori almost effect. And it's another yellow accent, so if it's in the same room as that base, look really fun. It's another lumbar with this chunky knit kind of feel to it. Neutrals, stripes, really easy to mix in with other pillows. This is one of my favorite faux plant accessories they have at Target because of the brass pot that it's in. I think it's really cute. I feel like I'm styling hair. Oh no. We've got a broken piece. This was a marble tray, another marble piece to add some materiality to the room. This is great for a shelf, just somewhere high up where it'd be hard to take care of a plant. Last box. These are 2 pillows from Studio McGee's collection for Target's Threshold line. That's what I love. I love how the stripes don't exactly match up. It looks like a vintage piece or something that's handmade. Ta-da! Thank you guys for watching. It was so fun to unbox all of these accessories with you. I can't wait to style them in my client's house. Make sure to follow on Instagram. Do you think that's where it'll be?
Yeah.
Where I'll probably be sharing all the styling on my stories. I can't wait to bring you more design and lifestyle videos, so turn on that bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Is it filming? Mm-hmm. Is it filming? Mm-hmm. Is it recording?